Hi everyone, I am Monica Dwadasi, a Salesforce certified. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to work with Salesforce Textbook. Today I am going to discuss about lead assignment rules. This topic consists of how to create an assignment rule and how to automate lead owner assignment. So before going into this topic, let us discuss what is lead assignment. The process of distributing incoming leads among sales reps is called lead assignment. In Salesforce, we have assignment rules for lead and case objects. Here, we are going to discuss about lead assignment rules. Okay? So, lead assignment rule is a rule which automates incoming leads to assign a particular user or set of users basing on lead assignment rule entries or rule criteria. Okay? But why? Why are we creating assignment rules? If your organization have more than one sales rep, then distributing the incoming lead records manually creates some errors, right? To avoid this, you can use lead assignment rules, which automates your assignment process. Okay, so these assignment rules can be assigned to any lead records, regardless of whether leads are created manually or generated from web to lead forms or are imported using the data import wizard. So, this also specifies how leads are assigned to users or queues based on rule entry conditions. So, next, so how many rules can be created? You can create n number of rules, but one rule can be active at a time. Remaining rules are deactivated automatically. And each rule consists of multiple rule entries that specify exactly how the leads are assigned to users or queues. Okay? So, if you are not aware of queues, please go through our playlist where you can understand about queues. So, queues are nothing but a set of users. Okay. So, now let's start to create a rule. Okay. So, for this use case, I am going with an car industry. Okay. So, go to your setup and enter lead assignment rules and click on this lead assignment rule and start creating your new assignment. Okay. So, the assignment rule is for cars basing on location. So active this rule and save. Okay, and now let's create entry conditions. Like if a lead is coming from a particular city, then please assign to one user. Okay, so for example, if a lead is coming from a city which is equals to Bangalore, those incoming leads should assign to an user or a set of users, okay, by clicking this. Okay, now all the incoming leads with the city equals to Bangalore are assigned to this sales rep. Okay, in the same way create one more entry, like if the leads coming from the city equals to Hyderabad, then those leads should assign to a user or set of users. Okay, so the incoming leads with the city equals to Hyderabad are assigned to Salesforce Textbook sales rep. Okay, now save. So we have two rule entry conditions, right? So now let's see how it works. Go to your sales application, go to your leads object and create a lead record. See, by default the lead owner is Salesforce Textbook. So let's go and create a lead record. Okay, and the city equals to Hyderabad. So this lead, the incoming lead, should assign to which user? Salesforce Textbook, right? By default it is Salesforce book, but if the lead is coming from the city Hyderabad, should assign to a sales rep, is not one of the sales rep. The sales rep name is Salesforce Textbook. So how does the assignment rule works? So you need to check this. When you check this checkbox, this lead incoming record is submitted to your assignment rule. So when it is submitted to your assignment rule, it go and check its rule entry conditions, and basing on that rule entry conditions, this lead record is assigned to a sales rep. Okay, now click this save button and let's see. So the incoming lead is assigned to Salesforce Textbook, right? So this is how your assignment rule works, which helps you to automate the assign sales rep assigned to your lead records. Okay. So for more information, please go through your website, and thank you, and please subscribe to Salesforce Textbook.